channel Easy Geography. Today we are going to discuss about the topic higher education. 10 important questions are included in the video. First question, which one of the following instructional design is not a part of SWAYAM launched by the Government of India? SWAYAM is a program initiated by the Government of India and designed to achieve the three cardinal principles. And among the instructional design which is not a part of SWAYAM. Option C, tutorial, physical interaction, e-content, web resource. The answer is physical interaction. We can go to some important points about SWAYAM. SWAYAM means Study Webs of Active Learning for Young Aspiring Minds. Launched in 9th July 2017. And its tagline is Shikshat Bharat, Unnat Bharat. And it is having 4 quadrants and they are e-tutorial, e-content, web resource and self-assessment. The national coordinates approved by the Government of India for SWAYAM are 9 and all the 9 coordinates will explain in the description box. The cardinal principles of education policies of SWAYAM are 3 and they are access, equity and quality. Next one, which body is empowered to make all decisions regarding all academic matters in an institution related to SWAYAM? Related to SWAYAM, the decisions are taken by UGC, Distance Education Council, Academic Council, CBSE. The decision regarding all academic matters in the SWAYAM are taken by the Academic Council. Next one, the first virtual university of India came up in. First virtual university of India. Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Here the option is Tamil Nadu. Then abbreviations of SCOV stands for SCOV. SCOV stands for options Standing Committee of Vocational Education, State Council of Virtual Education, State Committee on Vocational Education, Supreme Court Ordinance on Vocational Education. SCOV means option A, Standing Committee of Vocational Education. Next one. In post-independence India, which one of the following committee or commission report deals with all levels of education in India? So many committees or commissions related to education are there in India, and which one is known for all levels of education? Surgeon Commission, Hartow Commission, Kothari Commission, Radhakrishnan Commission. Answer is option C, Kothari Commission. These are the list of educational commissions and the years are also there. The Woods Dispatch in the year 1854. The Indian Education Commission, also known as Hunter Commission, 1882. Indian University Commission, 1902. Sadler Commission or Calcutta University Commission in 1917. The Government of India Act in 1935. Surgeon Commission in 1944. University Education Commission in 1948. Kothari Commission, also known as Indian Education Commission of 1964. Next one, the UGC Infonet network is run and managed by the Infonet network. Infonet network of UGC run and managed by the InflipNet. Next one, the present form of inter-university board that was previously established for promoting cooperation and coordination among universities is UGC, AAU, NUEPA, ICSSR. The board established for promoting cooperation and coordination among universities is AIU, Association of Indian Universities. NUPA full form National University of Education Planning and Administration. ICSSR, Indian Council of Social Science Research. And details about the Association of Indian Universities. It is acts under the Center of Indian Universities. It was originated in our country according to the recommendation of Sadler Commission. And it had recommended for maintaining proper liaison and the coordination between the universities. Then the Jnana Darshan launched by IGNOU refers to which one of the following? The Jnana Darshan. Satellite based educational TV channel, education FM radio network, global initiative of academic work, online courses. And Jnana Darshan is for option A, satellite based educational TV channel. Next one, which of the following are central universities? Pondicherry University, Vishwabharati, HNB Garhwal University, Kurukshetra University. The central universities are option A, Pondicherry, Vishwabharati and HNB Garhwal universities are central university. Kurukshetra is not a central university. Last question. The focus of the meeting of group of G20 extraordinary virtual education ministers on June 27, 2020 was G20 extraordinary meeting. The focus was options: effect of COVID-19 pandemic on the education sector, Indo-China relation along the border, energy crisis among the member countries, sharing of agricultural products with the member countries. And it was option A, effect of COVID-19 pandemic on education sector. Thanks for watching, friends. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.